So now that we can store users in the database, it could also be kind of cool if we could actually get our users back from the database. So let's use our get method inside users here to actually return some users. Now what I want to do is I want this to return the set of users in here. But I also want to start considering what should happen if I get an error. So let me just write some code here. Whoops. There we go. If everything goes well, I want to do this response JSON, right? But if there's an error, then what I want to do is actually I want to return response, but instead of this, I'll do a send where I just say something went really wrong, like this, and then I'll just do a return to end this, or next to end this. We'll get back to this again. We'll talk more about this later. But now what I've done is I've said when we hit the /users, use the request, and we can actually, if we wanted, we can start searching. But now just find all the users. If you find them, what I want you to do is return them as JSON. If you get an error, I want you to return something went horribly wrong. Okay? So let's try and run this. Let's try and see if it actually worked. I'm doing a send here with a get request for the user, and I get a single user back. Kind of boring. Let's add some more users. Going into my post, going to add a few more users. Let's add Ole, do a send. Let's add John, do a send. Let's add Bill, do a send. So let's just do a get again, and let's see if we get more users now. There we go. That's how simple it is. So now not only do we have an actual get request to get all users, we also have a post request for posting users, right? 2 of the requests we needed for the CRUD setup. So we are halfway there. See you in the next lesson.